Start.
Good morning, friends. Today's practical on manganese by Hollard method. Determination of manganese from the given solution. Now, first, standardize KMnO4. Standardization of KMnO4. Take the oxalic acid 0.357 gram in watch glass, then dissolve the oxalic acid in minimum amount of water and dilute with 100 ml water. This solution oxalic acid fill in second burette and first burette fill with KMnO4. This is KMnO4 and this is oxalic acid. Now standardization of KMnO4 with oxalic acid. Take 9 ml oxalic acid and then 1 test tube or half test tube dilute H2SO4 or 2 normal H2SO4. Then heat the solution up to 70 to 80 degrees Celsius and titrate against KMnO4 solution up to colorless to pink solution. This is end point and they are called as X1 reading. Again take 1 ml oxalic acid and heat up to 70 to 80 degrees Celsius and then titrate with KMnO4 solution up to pink color. This is X2 reading. Repeat the procedure for X3 reading and thus we get X1, X2 and X3 reading. Then next point, estimation of manganese. Given manganese sulfate solution, dilute up to mark with distilled water and this solution fill in second burette. This is diluted manganese sulfate solution and first burette fill with KMnO4 solution and take 9 ml diluted manganese sulfate solution plus 2 normal or concentrated HNO3 solution, 2 to 3 drop concentrated HNO3 or 1 to 2 ml dilute HNO3 solution and heat the solution, again add the zinc paste 1 test tube and 1 test tube water, heat the solution up to 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Now, in this conical flask in which 9 ml dilute manganese sulfate solution plus 2 to 3 drops concentrated HNO3 solution plus half test tube zinc paste and 1 test tube water, this conical flask heat up to 70 to 80 degrees Celsius and the titrate with this solution with KMnO4 and end point is pink color and the pink color appears at the supernatant liquid. Now at the bottom zinc paste is present and supernatant liquid pink color becomes pink color and this is the end point. Again the solution, take 1 ml diluted manganese sulfate solution, heat up to 70 to 80 degrees Celsius and again titrate with KMnO4. Do not fill the burette with KMnO4. Then second reading and third reading, this procedure repeat for third reading and this is X-men. Then we get Y1, Y2, Y3 reading and X1, X2, X3 reading. Sir. X1, X2 and X3 reading, Y1, Y2 and Y3 reading. First calculate exact normality by using this formula, then N4, this N4, again calculate YML N2 KMnO4 is equal to 0.0011 into N4 into Y1 divided by 0.025. This is concentration normality of KMnO4. Then we get A1. Again calculate Y2. Then we get A2, Y3. Then we get A3. And thus 9 ml diluted solution corresponds to A1 gram of Mn. Therefore, 100 ml diluted solution is equal to B1, that is 100 into A1 divided by 9, then we get B1. Thus calculate B2 and again B3, and mean for these B1, B2 and B3, that is B1 plus B2 plus B3 divided by 2, then we get B. This B is amount of manganese, and hence last result is 10 ml 0.025 normal oxalic acid required, that is X2 reading. This is X2 reading. And next result, exact normality of KMnO4 solution, they are called as N4. And last, amount of manganese in given solution B is mean B. This is amount of Mn in 100 ml diluted solution is equal to B gram. Thank you.